Hey, it's Terrace with Baltimore TV Mount. I wanted to do a follow-up video on my warranty work because today I had somebody who was concerned about an install that I did about a year ago, and they did exactly what I wanted to do. So, as you probably know, if you've seen some of my other videos about mounting and installing TVs, I warranty all of my work for life. Also, in addition to that, I was to make sure I say, I also do free phone service, which means if you ever have any questions about your mount, whether it's warranty related or not, it could be something like 5 years from now, how do I adjust it? You told me when you first installed it, but I forgot, like, phone service is always free. So I warranty all my work for life. I did an install about a year ago, and last week I was on vacation and I received a text message. Somebody had said they thought that the mount was maybe making a little bit of noise. So I collected as much information as I could over text. I was on vacation, I couldn't do much, and it was safe, so I didn't call somebody to run out and take care of it. I said, I'll take care of it when I get back. And as soon as I get there, I look, it was a brick or install. The TV was mounted on a masonry wall with plaster over top of it. And I did my test. I found out that the TV's fine. Actually, what happened, it's kind of a good note. What happened is the paint is gloss paint. And she had this, it was actually the speaker that was making some noise. What happened is there's a lot of heavy traffic that goes by her house. And when the big trucks drive by, it vibrates. And with glossy paint, it's sometimes a little tacky or sticky. And the vibrations is what she was hearing, was a little bit of noise. Anyway, I tested them out, it was perfectly fine. And I made sure to tell the customer, with the lifetime warranty, what I want to make sure, one, I've never had a TV fault or had an issue, is I want to make sure that she knew she did the exact right thing. Even though I went there, I tested, oh, it's nothing, don't worry. And I kind of texted that last week. I suspected it, but I still wanted to come out and take a look because I do stick behind my work. I stick behind all of my TV installs. It's better when you do have a warranty, if you have a question, to get in touch with me. If something is potentially breaking, when I say that I warranty my work and I stick behind it, I really mean it, sort of like in the traditional sense. I sign my name on every job that I do. And in this case, I was able to come out, take a look at it. Better to be safe than sorry. And the mount is fine. Like you said, we figured out what the issue was, and it was actually the trucks, and it was the speaker underneath. I was able to make a couple little adjustments, hopefully stop any noise if there's a big truck or vibration. But, and I continue the work for life. And I explained that to the woman. I said, better to call me now. I could come out and take a look than for something catastrophic to happen. I do take ownership in all of my work, which means that if I install the TV and something happens in the future, I intend that I would have to replace the TV. I've never had to do that, and I don't plan on doing it. So she did the right thing. And if you have questions about my warranty, feel free to reach out. www.baltimoretvmount.com, or send me a text, 410-562-9103. I do prefer text messages because I don't like to talk or answer the phone when I'm in a customer's home. But that's just something I wanted to really emphasize when it comes to my lifetime warranty, is that even if it was 1 year, 5 years, 7 years ago, if there's a question or even just a small concern, I want my customers to reach out to me because I want them to have a sense of security. Every time I hang a TV, I mean, literally almost every time I hang a TV, the customer looks like, oh, wow, I can't believe it's up there. Like, I may think that a little bit myself too, but I know the mechanics behind, mounting TVs, depending on if you have metal studs, wood studs, brick, outside on the siding, inside on plaster walls. Like I researched how they actually are fastened. That's why I offer a lifetime warranty, because I'm confident with it. But I know when people put a TV up, you're kind of worried about it. You're afraid if it's a full motion, can I pull on it hard? Is something going to come loose? That's why I hang for my TVs in pictures, or a couple of the mounts, to show how strong they are. But I really want you guys to know I stick behind my warranty. And it's a long-winded video for me just to say, I want you to know that I stick behind my warranty. I take ownership in everything. And I encourage customers with any questions or concerns, no matter how small, to reach out and let me know what they're thinking. I want you to focus on the entertainment of the TV and not be worried that, your 85-inch love of your life is going to fall off the wall, because it's not. And I'm confident of that. and I'll come out and check it. Anyway, that's it. See you around.